Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Let us go straight into your reading. Scorpio. So let's see what your overall message is. It's the Ace of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting you want the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Am I supposed to be moving back to Quebec? That's what you want? Is that what you want? You want me to come back to Quebec? How come nobody told me this? Nobody said this to me. Is that what you wanted? I did not know. I was too busy living my life. I did not know that's what you wanted. You wanted me to go back to Quebec? Francois sent for me? Is that what you're saying? Francois want me? He said, if I come back, I'm a blood clot yard. That's what Francois said? Well, send my fucking Uber. You think I'm scared? You think I'm motherfucking scared? Sweetie, I ain't scared to go back to Quebec. I'll go back to Quebec. Yeah, give me a house, give me one house, and internet, and food, and every single thing, and I'll be back in Quebec. You want me to go back to Quebec? I don't mind. I only left there because of unsolved reasons of those dirty police officers. But other than that, I don't mind. You want me to go back? Is that what you want? I'm getting something about you have to go back. I don't know if you have to go back to your country, go back to the dirty man, or you have to go back. Either way, sweetie, okay, send my Uber. Because I'll be damned if I'm taking the fucking GO train back there. Anyways, I didn't even take a GO train to come fucking Toronto. So with Ace of Swords, we're getting the truth or some information you need to find out. Also, channel messages. Most getting something needs to be managed before it gets out of control. I'm also getting something is out of control and it needs a new manager. Okay? So yeah. Let's go. Scorpio. We got the Star card coming out first. Yeah, the Star. I'm getting you have to relocate. Maybe some people want you to come work for them. Or I'm getting, you might not even go back because I'm getting you're so far along your journey right now. You're just continuing and growing and moving forward, not behind, okay? So I'm getting Aquarius energy, but I'm getting a celebrity. I'm getting hope also. All right, we have the Magician. I'm getting somebody, you wish, you had a wish. You wish to be a star, you wish to be famous, you wish to be this, but getting you won't get the wish granted. Maybe a Scorpio is doing this for you. Or me getting something is under new management, so them want you to come back. There's new management now. We have the Queen of Swords. Yeah, me getting another woman here. Something about a Libra. Or something about a Libra is asking you to come back. The Libra is requested you by name. Me getting something about a wedding. Somebody want you to perform at a wedding. You might be a wedding singer or something like that. The Devil card. Now I'm also getting something about, me getting you are the star for the show, all eyes on you, but me getting something about a Libra. This Libra woman I try for, that, you see, this is why, them hear me some blood clot much, come and do what I do and to this day, 7 days a week I don't practice magic. Me getting this Libra. You have something about this Libra woman, she jealous as fuck. Me getting she had the spell work on you, she had the magic on you, she try to fuck up your shit. She's doing magic to fuck up your shit. I don't know if you're more popular than her or you're the younger girl on the scene. So me getting she have the manipulation. She don't want your boss. She don't want you reach nowhere. She don't want nobody pick you up. She don't want no, she basically don't want you to be a part of the spotlight. So me getting she's actually standing in your way. It's a Libra woman. Or something like that. Me getting a Libra woman you're evil as fuck, or she in the mix of a lot of bullshit what happened to you. So do not trust her lightly. She could be Capricorn as well. Now the Libra could also be the one telling lie. Like you're a model, they must say, oh you have OnlyFans. You don't have no OnlyFans, you're a working class model. Somebody say you're the I don't know, I'm getting this Libra woman who has spread a bag of rumor upon you because she's jealous of the fact that she can't show her body because she's insecure about her body, and she's jealous of the fact that apparently everybody like you. Maybe her man will watch you, she don't want her man to watch you, she's jealous. Her man can't even watch the TV. Oh my God, speaking of TV, Kai Sinat, thank you, and thank you robot for mashing up that blood clot TV. Thank you so much to the robot of Kai. I was fighting for my fucking life. Kai, I am so happy. I am so fucking happy, Kai. I'm so happy. And the robot did that what the fuck humans couldn't. That's why they're programming. That's why they're using y'all to do artificial intelligence. So when we finish, we're just going to keep the humans as slaves. They will come down and take over, and robots will be what you answer to. Thank God for Kai Robots. Kai Robot mash up the TV. Thank you. I'm free. Thank you. I'm free. I'm F-R-E-E, motherfucking free. That means I don't gotta worry about a bitch. Nigga cheating. Right, my foot, my free. My summer free. My bumper clot free, my free. Thank you, Kai. Thank you so fucking much. I was fighting for my life. Thank you, Kai. Thank you to the Kai Robot. Thank you, Kai Robots. You fucked up the TV. Thank you. Finally free. Let's continue reading. We have the angel. I'm telling you, Kai, you and your robot is a fucking angel. I'm finally fucking free. The robot mashed up the fucking TV. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The angel. We have a devil and the angel here. So maybe the Libra feel like you work for the demon side, and the Libra is convincing themselves that with that pussy juice and 3 baby daddies, that they're the angel. Okay. So you're going to find out the truth. We're getting a Libra compete with you. It's a Libra woman, she's competing with you for this spot, for this top spot, or apparently there can only be one and she want the one to be her. Okay? We have the 3 of Wands. We have the Hermit card. We have the World card also, one more. And we have the Death card. She could also be doing this here because she's interested in this man. There's something about this guru. I keep getting this reading. Something about one guru came to a Libra woman and asked her about somebody else's future. And the Libra was like, but why one day with this person and me and her do the same thing? Why not there with me? Me getting if you're one tarot reader, one man come to you and ask you about one other girl destiny, and she do the same thing you do. And you tell the man, say, yeah man, blah this. You tell the man, say, I'm gonna marry her, but you went behind the man back in the magic. Because you were jealous as fuck. Because she done the same blood clot thing you do, and the man never want you, and the one another one. And you're vexed. So after you take the man money, and you take the man blood clot things, and you read for the man, you go behind the man back and the spell work. That's why to this day the man don't marry the woman. Because of that dirty pussy Libra that he went to and got the reading from, and she fuck up your blood clot shit. The dirty pussy Libra fuck up your shit. Because she was jealous. What? I was in the game more. I've been here 14 years. What is rich billionaire man want with this girl? She just started out, she younger, she don't know as much as me. So you went to her for the reading, she gave you the reading, and then she just spell work behind your back. So you could have never married this woman. What she tell you say you're gonna marry? What she bet you $228,000 and say you're gonna blood clot marry? Me nah blood clot let it go. I will forever be that blood clot elephant who stamp on the blood clot grave. All on the graves. Is there anything else? Let me get some of these and I'll leave it here. I'm getting bitches are jealous, go outside, especially when they're insecure about their bodies. Underrated. The Hangman. Come visit me. And Scorpio. And I am telling you, Scorpio, bitches are mad. Bitches are jealous. So if you're talking to an air sign about this another girl where you like, and the air sign I tell you, no, I don't think this is a good idea. No, I don't think that. Tell her to shut the fuck up. Perhaps she wants you. Tell her to shut the fuck up, Scorpio. The fuck she a talk for? What the fuck you asking her opinions on another bitch for? Cause me getting, you talk to the air sign about this woman and everything she have to say about the woman is bad. She don't even know the woman good. But everything she have to say about the woman is bad. Tell her to fuck off. Then I say, okay, I respect your opinion and I'm going to go ahead and pursue this woman. Scorpio, I thought you were the dead. Unless you're making magicians controlling the dead, is that what you're telling me? Du sac de sucre. That's what you fucking telling me, Sagittarius? I'm sorry, you might be dealing with the Sagittarius. That's what the fuck you're telling me, Scorpio? You might be Scorpio sun, Sagittarius moon. She's jealous. Or somebody tried to bring up the fact, yeah, you know Scorpio, but when you're there with her, she take off her clothes. She's a star, you know, so she just take off her clothes. Yeah, that's why Scorpio, let's see her body if you like her body. Because her clothes was off. And your clothes was on, and Scorpio still don't want you. Now I guess that whole mentality of keeping your clothes on for men who wants to wife you went out the door. Because here you have a crush on Scorpio, and Scorpio does not want to wife you. Scorpio wants to wife this one. And you cannot understand that, because according to you, men don't like women who take them clothes off. Well, Scorpio does. You can go and tell that, homeboy. Scorpio run with a blood clot, girl, no? Annoying ass cobweb pussy bitch. Like run her way now? The fuck? She obviously wants you and you're not looking her way. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.